So the best Instagram lead generation tool for trading communities, I'm about to reveal it, it's behind my head, is ManyChat. Alright, and if you're watching this video, it means you're probably already using ManyChat in some shape or form, either on your stories or on your IG Reels. Alright, so on your IG stories, these are kind of CTAs you'll kind of see, just kind of CTAs to some sort of lead magnet reply chat, and I'll send it to you. If you don't know what a lead magnet is, if you don't want to know what an HVCO is, it's going to be in the description. It's going to be the third link. So basically, that will just immediately 5x the amount of leads you can pull in from social media. So if you don't know what it is, I definitely watch that video. If you do, carry on, right? You'll see it in Reels as well. You'll see CTAs at the end of it, and you'll see CTAs in the captions, like comment, etc. word, and I'll send you, in this case, it's a link to join a free Discord. In most cases, it's going to be a lead magnet tied into the unique mechanism of whoever's video it is. If you don't know anything about what I'm saying, just watch the entirety of this YouTube channel, because it will make you a 10 times better marketer and will make you a ton more money, especially since it's only going to take you like 5 hours. So we're going to actually get through how to set this up, because some clients were asking me this. And if you need a template, by the way, it's going to be in the description, but I'll take you through it. So any sort of ManyChat automation will generally look like this. You're just going to click in, hit edit. You'll have conditions kind of here on, it's called a trigger. You'll have story replies where you can click in here, add the words, just put bootcamp or whatever. I'd put reply contains specific words or reactions. Put your keywords here, make sure to include plurals. So like bootcamp, bootcamps, if it's like checklist, secret. I've seen people use like secret and not add secrets, and you'll miss out on a ton of leads. So it's kind of some little sauce there. You will have to have separate DM/story and reel automations, just because ManyChat doesn't allow, like you'll see here, you'll notice a difference in story DM or automations. Your send message will say send within 24 hours, and the difference is it's not a reply on a comment. So the way ManyChat works on Reels is that when they comment something, ManyChat can basically detect the comment and then basically reply to that comment in DMs. But with a DM/story reply, it's way easier and you have more freedom with what you can do. So you'll see here in this bootcamp DM story automation, you can do follow-ups. So you can put the send message, put in the link, put in whatever. So the template we have below, basically they'll hit yes, then they'll get that. Then they'll get the actual item they wanted, and then you'll have follow-up either for a setter, if you're doing high ticket, or just some sort of CTA to a different asset. All right. So in this case, just delays 10 minutes and then basically follows up with getting people into the free community. So I'll move my head so you can see it. And I'll walk you through how to get, where is it? Here you go. Here's one for Reels, I believe. Yep. So Reels, you have way less flexibility. You can't do follow-ups. Just make sure you set the trigger to, honestly, here's some sauce here. You can either choose to do specific keywords, so either add rating or guide. Just basically choose all the words that people might actually comment to get this asset. And then you'll basically just have to send message. You can't do follow-ups on Reels, because they just won't let you connect another one. I mean, you can try. I bet ManyChat will add this in the future if they basically badger meta enough, but for now, you won't have it. So if you want the templates in which we use actually to get trading Discords to 100K per month, basically just grab that in the description. And if you basically want us to build your entire funnel, including the ManyChat templates, including your landing pages, your email automations, everything like that, you can also book a call with our team to see if we can do that for you. So that's going to be probably the first link in the description.